Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. It's gonna most likely be 2 to 3 smaller grocery hauls this week. Just the way my schedule is, I just have to work each week with what I have schedule-wise. So I did run to Rite after work and picked up very specific things that I needed. So they do have around, at least in my area, Rite has the best prices on these like Naked and Bolthouse Farms drinks. They're 2 for $5. I was happy today though because I actually got like a Catalina coupon when I checked out for $1.50 off my next 2, which is a big deal. So I got the Bolthouse Farms Mocha Cappuccino. This one is for Matt because he really likes this flavor. I also got him the Bolthouse Farm Mango Protein Plus. He's all about like protein drinks, so I got those for Matt. I got a strawberry banana and a mighty mango for myself. And then for Matt's lunches as well, I got pomegranate peach passion white tea and pomegranate honey green tea. These are like $1.50 there at Rite, and that's the only place I can find this size. Like Walmart sells the big ones, but the individual ones are a little bit harder to come by, at least where I live. I also needed some black olives because I have to make pasta salad for Mother's Day. We're having a little barbecue at my mom's house with my in-laws and some extended family. I've got some shredded carrots for both the pasta salad and tossed salads. These are also really great to throw in like a stir fry because they're already shredded. I got some red cabbage. I really like this brand, this Fresh Express brand. But yeah, Rite has really good prices on produce. I think this was like $1.50. This was $1.59. And this is a big bag of shredded cabbage. And I like the red to put in salads or stir fries and make salads out of, and it's just really tasty. I also got some red radishes for salads as well. I needed more peppers. We go through quite a bit of peppers, especially in the warmer months because we like to grill them. So I got a red, orange, and yellow sweet pepper. I got 2 zucchinis, and I got an English cucumber because, again, salads, grilling, that kind of thing. But yeah, this is everything from Rite. I've been trying to remember to tell you guys prices on hauls, but I've been forgetting. So this haul was $25.08, just if you're curious. So just stay tuned. There'll be another haul or 2 after this one. Hey guys, I wanted to touch really quickly on something before I move on and show you my Walmart haul. I'm pretty sure in my Rite haul showing these drinks, I had mentioned that Rite had the best price for them. I actually was incorrect. Walmart does. So from now on, I'm going to get them at Walmart. I don't know why I thought they were more expensive at Walmart, but it's the opposite. So at Walmart, I believe these are like $1.98. And I believe these are like $1.80. So Rite, these are 2 for $5, I think. Something like, no, I think they're like $2.69 and these are 2 for $5, something like that. But regardless, these are both Bolthouse Farms and Naked are cheaper at my Walmart. So I wanted to make that correction in case some of you were confused because you had noticed that Walmart was cheaper. So just wanted to mention that really quickly. Get them at Walmart. Hey guys, so I've got my Walmart haul for the week. I believe this haul was about $65 or $66 for everything. So I got a big bag of cooking onions. I left them in the bag because they'll flake all over the counter. I have like a little bin that I put onions in. So onions for cooking. I got some of the Great Value white cranberry strawberry. It's been out of stock, so that's why I've been buying the ocean spray. But when I do see this back in stock, I grab one. I got mushrooms and snow peas to do a sauté as a side dish next week. Some green onions for a couple recipes. I got some flour tortillas because I'm going to do enchiladas next week. I got some of these Outshine fruit like popsicle bars, and they are cherry, tangerine, and grape. Never tried them, but they look good. I got some Honey Nut Cheerios for Grady. He likes to have those in the morning. I got Spanish rice to go along with the enchiladas next week. Some Innovation sticky white rice. I am going to make a sweet and spicy beef next week, and I'm going to use this to serve. I'm going to serve the beef on top of this. I have a recipe for that video, an old recipe, but I'll link it below in case you want to check it out or make it. I got a Red Baron Supreme Pizza. This is my husband's favorite frozen pizza. Obviously, like anyone else, we like fresh pizza, but I always like to have at least one frozen pizza in the house because they really can be a lifesaver for us, especially on the weekends for lunch. So I got the Supreme. I got another bag of the Blue Diamond wasabi and soy sauce almonds, which is my favorite flavor. I got some Snickers ice cream bars. We all like these except my son. He doesn't like peanuts, but Matt and I like these, and I actually had a $1.50 off coupon from a box that I had purchased of this several months ago. So I went ahead and used it. I got some turkey for sandwiches, another of the Baja Citrus marinades. I like to pick one of these up like every other trip, and especially now more than ever because this is the time of year where we grill a lot. I got tomatoes for salads or grilling. I got my old El Paso red enchilada sauce, and if you didn't know, this is the recipe that I use, guys, for my enchiladas right on the side of this can. I've been using that exact recipe for years, literally 20 years. I also got some green chilies to go in the enchilada sauce. I got one of these Carolina brand yellow rices. We eat one of these a week. These bags are 70 cents, but they're only really for 2 people, even as a side dish. So if you are feeding a larger, if you have a bunch of kids or maybe just a bigger family, just keep that in mind if you're gonna pick this up. This bag feeds 2 people as a side. I also got the Clear American Pineapple Coconut. My Walmart rarely ever has this in stock, so when they do, I grab it. I really like this flavor, but I'd have to say my favorite is strawberry or black cherry, but I really do like this one. I also got these raspberry lemonade lower sugar Gatorade. I've never seen this flavor, but Matt always requests Gatorade in the warmer months because he does manual labor, and for some reason he just says this is really refreshing to him. So raspberry lemonade, excited for that. I'm sure he will be too. So that's everything I picked up at Walmart today. I don't think I missed anything, and I'm going to show you guys now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan starting Sunday, which is Mother's Day. So first and foremost, happy Mother's Day to all of you who watch the videos on my channel, and that your moms, happy Mother's Day to you. And I hope you all have a wonderful day celebrating however you celebrate. So Sunday, for my family, we are actually having like a little Mother's Day barbecue at my parents' house with obviously my parents, my sister, my in-laws, and then a couple other extended family members. My brother actually can't come. He tried to get off work that day and he can't. He works in the restaurant business, so it's really hard for him to get weekends off. So we're doing the brick chicken recipe. I don't know if some of you guys know what that is. It's Ina Garden's recipe. It's like you cook a whole chicken on the barbecue grill with a brick on top of it. I know that sounds kind of crazy and weird, but it's really good. We did that last year at my mom's. I can't remember for what occasion, but so we're doing that as like the main event, and then we're all gonna kind of sort of do it potluck style. So I'm gonna make like a pasta salad, my mom's gonna make potato salad, my mother-in-law is bringing a pie, so we're all gonna kind of contribute. So that's Sunday. I'm really looking forward to the leftovers from that for lunches next week. I'm gonna do the spicy Korean, it's spicy and sweet Korean beef over sticky rice with those sugar snap peas and mushrooms, and I might throw in a little carrot. So I'll link the recipe for this video down below. We are going to do some local kibasi on the grill and some grilled veggies. We had that a couple nights ago and it was delicious, so we're going to go ahead and repeat that dinner on the grill. I'm going to do beef enchiladas next week, one day with the Spanish rice. I just use like the Rice-A-Roni brand Spanish rice. You just add a can of diced fire roasted tomatoes and it's really good and foolproof. For our no meat night next week, we're just going to do some Caesar salad, some large ones, and then I have some mini naan bread, and we're going to make little mini naan veggie pizzas on the grill, so no meat that night. One night we're going to do sausage and peppers on the grill with either baked or roasted potatoes. I really don't like turning on my oven if I don't have to in the warmer months, but most likely it'll be one of these, and you never know, it might just be something else as well. And then of course I have my freebie night, which is when I, can freestyle it. I can do leftovers. Sometimes on freebie nights I go to my parents' house when it's not like a holiday or something. But yeah, guys, that's the meal plan for the upcoming week. Still get questions about this planner. I try to touch on it as much as I can. It's a Carrie L meal planner. This is the third or fourth one that I've owned, but the first one in the mini size, the smaller size. It's kind of fatter, but it's smaller. Hopefully that makes sense. And I really love it a lot. I have a permanent discount with her, and it's always linked in the description box. I know a lot of you guys have purchased these over the years, and you've been really happy with them. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. Have a great weekend. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys on Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.